Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the details of the Brother Genuine High-Yield Black Ink Cartridge, LC75BK. If you're in the market for reliable printing solutions, this product promises to deliver. Let's explore what makes it stand out and why it might be the perfect fit for your printing needs. The Brother LC75BK is designed for those who value quality and consistency in their prints. It's part of Brother's Innobella High Yield, ensuring that each cartridge lasts longer and delivers sharp, professional quality black prints. Whether you're printing documents, reports, or photos, this cartridge is engineered to work seamlessly with your Brother inkjet printer. With a page yield of up to 600 pages, you can print more without frequent cartridge replacements. Ensures rich blacks and subtle shades of gray, perfect for both text and images. Designed to integrate smoothly with various Brother inkjet printer models, including MFC-J280W, MFC-J425W, MFC-J430W, and more. Brother cartridges are known for their reliability and ease of use, making them a trusted choice among users. Choosing the Brother LC75BK means opting for consistent quality and performance. Whether you're a home user or a small business, this cartridge offers a cost-effective solution with minimal maintenance. The high page yield reduces the frequency of replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. In conclusion, the Brother Genuine High-Yield Black Ink Cartridge, LC75BK, is a top choice for anyone seeking dependable printing results. Its compatibility, high yield, and quality make it a standout product in the market. If you're looking to enhance your printing experience with reliable performance and professional-grade prints, consider the Brother LC75BK for your next purchase. That wraps up our review of the Brother Genuine High-Yield Black Ink Cartridge, LC75BK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique.